How do you copy and paste an element from one project to another? Well, the simple way is to select your element, use the keyboard shortcut Control-C for copying, go to your other project and do Control-V for pasting. And you have your element on the second project. Now, if you wanted to have this element separate on its own, how do you do that? Well, you could open a blank image, get a new image, whatever size, create a document, paste it so it's there, and then you can crop to the edge and save it. There is another way too. So once you have copied your element with Control-C, it is on the clipboard. There is a command here under File, says New from Clipboard, and that will create that image on its own image that you can then save as a PNG or however format you need. There is a shortcut for this. However, the shortcut requires 4 keystrokes, so you pretty much have to use both hands. Control, Alt, Shift, and N. So Control, Alt, Shift might be doable with one hand, but then with the N, you'll need the other hand. But you can change that. If you are familiar with another shortcut, maybe in a different program, you might be able to use that. So you can go under Edit, Settings, and Shortcuts. And you have here the different shortcuts for different menus. So it is in the File menu. New from Clipboard, here is the current shortcut. If you want to change that, let's say that you want to do Control-Shift-V, because you know that the Control-V will do the pasting on a new project as a new layer. Maybe Control-Shift-V will make sense to you. There is that little warning. That means that this shortcut is actually used for something else in the styled shortcuts. It's then up to you to determine if you want to keep this shortcut and if the other original use for that shortcut is actually meaningful to you. In my case, I'm probably not going to use the style with this shortcut, so I am fine. I can close it, and now I have a new shortcut for my new from Clipboard. And this one, I can actually do it with one hand. So this is the simple way to copy and paste elements from one project to another or from one project to its own image.